Hey guys, I'm Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Dyson review on this new Airwrap. This is actually marketed for $500. I know, it's a lot for a blow dryer, but it also curls your hair. That's why, maybe that's why this is expensive. So today we're going to do a review. I'm going to quickly go over what's inside and I'm going to show you how I use it. We'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna jump right into it. So here we have the bad boy. It is pretty heavy, I would say. It smells like leather and it feels pretty luxurious. So this is the inside. Let's see what we got. So it comes with, you know, the barrel. So this is the one that I bought. It comes with two different sizes. Different sets have different tools in it. So it has this and it has, this is the head for the blow dryer. And it also comes with this. Also comes with the brush. And that's it. That's all inside. It feels pretty heavy, but like the material, it's not metal. It's actually just, it's like, I don't know what it is, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Because I think most of the weight is the case, but I don't think anyone would travel with this, with the case. What I'm trying to say is this feels less luxurious when you hold it in your hand because it feels like plastic. So the Dyson actually uses its V9 motor technology. It uses something called a Coanda Effect, which gets the hair to latch onto the barrel. And we're gonna test it, see how this performs on my kind of hair, which is kind of like frizzy and pretty dried. So right now I'm going to wet my hair and I'll be right back. So right now I have wet my hair. It's like kind of damp, but not really dripping water. That's how, from all the reviews that I've watched so far, that's what everybody says it's the best way to curl it. So right now I'm using the 1.6 inches barrel. So I'm putting it on medium heat. Let's see if it could work its magic. So I'm separating my hair just like a little bit. I know it doesn't take much hair, so I'm gonna start with this much. I hope it's not too much. Okay. Which way do I go? It's like, I go this way? It's definitely hard to use in the beginning because you're like, what the F am I doing? I think it really only takes this much hair, like. Nope. Has to be a certain way. Take this way? How do you use this? Alright, so it's catching up this much hair. And now I'm using the cold air. Okay. So it was this much hair. Like this tiny little bit of hair. This is how much it took by itself. It came out pretty good. It's like pretty curled. But literally it's like a tiny little piece. This is like the maximum it could hold. Like this much. Do you guys see? Using the cold shot for 10 seconds. Okay, so it like vibrates a little when you turn it off. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna curl my whole head. That didn't really work. So if you have hair in it and you're trying to turn it on, it would not turn on. It would only turn on if you have no hair on the barrel. So it's pretty convenient in the way that you don't have to like twist the hair on yourself. It goes on by itself. but it's just inconvenient that it's only taking tiny little piece of hair. I have really short hair now, and this will probably take a while. That one came out pretty good. So my tactic now is just to let it pick up its own hair, like however much it wants to pick up, it'll just pick up. Like I can't force the hair onto it if it doesn't want it to be on. And the barrel doesn't really get too hot. Like if you use a flat iron or like a curling iron, you're gonna burn your hand if you're not careful, or your head or your neck. But this is not really hot. You can touch it, it's fine. Okay, so as you can see, I did curl parts of my hair, this part and then some here. I think you need a lot of patience to work with this because it only takes so much hair, tiny little bit, and it like curls up by itself. So if you have the time and you have the patience to do this, I think it would be great. But I feel like a curling iron would be faster because you could get a larger piece of your hair. But that being said, this is healthier for your hair because it's using air instead of heat on your hair. So I've heard that Dyson took 6 years and 230 engineers and scientists to develop this. I just want to say, why would you make this only take a little piece of hair? Why? So it's so frustrated trying to curl this because it only takes in like a tiny little piece. Why? It really just, I don't know. I feel like I paid $500 for this. It should work much better than a curling iron. So as for me, I am definitely returning this bad boy back to Sephora because I don't think I have the patience to take tiny little piece of hair and curl it for 10,000 years. I just want to say that if they come out with another edition like Airwrap 2.0, then I would maybe try it out, see if it's better. So I also made another video that compares this blow dryer to a curling iron that is much cheaper, and I compare the long lastingness of the curl. And if you're interested, I'll put the link down below. Alright, so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I do videos on travel and lifestyle, so if you're curious on my life, then please watch my previous videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!